Apple wants to make every third iPhone outside of China. Serious mood. Apple asked its manufacturing partners from China to calculate the cost of transferring 30% of iPhone production to other countries. According to sources, the company is concerned about the trade war between the US and China and its impact on the iPhone production chain. According to insiders, Apple intends to withdraw part of the production of its equipment from China, regardless of the further development of trade relations between the United States and China. The company is ready to stop producing some devices outside of China in order to avoid problems in the future. By starting to produce some of the iPhone and other devices outside of China, Apple can become more flexible, a source polled by the Nikkei said. He stressed that Apple had previously thought about the distribution of production. But negotiations with partners began only now, when trade relations between the United States and China have deteriorated sharply. According to experts, the transfer of 30% of production capacity from China will take Apple at least 3 years. The company has not yet made a final decision. Negotiations with partners are at an early stage.